Ever since Fujifilm shockingly discontinued the X-Pro 3, a massive void has been left in the premium rangefinder market. For years, creators, documentary shooters, and street photographers have been left on the edge of their seats, wondering if the iconic line was dead. Millions of creators have been trapped on endless backorder lists for the X100 VI, while others have been forced to look at Leica's staggering $9,000 price tags just to get that classic tactile shooting experience. But the wait is finally over. Verified supply chain leaks and concrete industry roadmaps have officially confirmed that the heavily anticipated Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is not only alive, but it is locked in for a late 2026 release. This isn't just a minor refresh. Fujifilm has spent years in extended research and development to completely fix the single most controversial engineering decision in their recent history, while introducing a series of groundbreaking firsts for the X-Pro lineup. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the fully verified, authentic leaks regarding the structural redesign, the overhauled imaging pipeline, and the incredible internal processing power of the upcoming X-Pro 4. If you have been desperately waiting for a forever camera that perfectly balances vintage analog soul with uncompromising modern performance, this is the exact technical breakdown you have been waiting for. 2. Understand why the X-Pro 4 is generating this level of unprecedented hype among high-end enthusiasts and professional photographers. Across the United States and Europe, we have to look directly at the heart of the machine. The incoming flagship is officially stepping up to the powerhouse 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired symmetrically with the lightning-fast X-Processor 5. This marks a staggering resolution leap over the 26 megapixel architecture found in the aging X-Pro 3. For large format printing, intense commercial cropping, and crisp architectural documentation, this 40-megapixel sensor delivers an elite tier of high-fidelity micro-contrast and raw detail that easily challenges full-frame systems. But Fujifilm didn't stop there. For purists who demand absolute pixel perfection, the X-Pro 4 will introduce a highly advanced 160-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. By utilizing a hyper-precise internal mechanism to shift the sensor by microscopic sub-pixel increments between consecutive frames, the camera compiles a final ultra-high-resolution image with flawless color accuracy and zero moire. This makes it a multifaceted weapon, shifting effortlessly from a rugged street companion during the day to an elite-tier landscape and studio tool at a moment's notice. Yet, implementing a high-density 40-megapixel sensor introduces a massive engineering challenge. High-resolution sensors are notoriously unforgiving when it comes to micro-jitters and camera shake. If you are shooting handheld in low-light environments or trying to capture a split-second candid moment on a busy street corner, a tiny hand tremor can easily ruin an otherwise perfect shot. For the first time in the entire history of the X-Pro lineup, users will get up to a full 8 stops of hardware-level stabilization. This is an absolute game-changer for documentary and travel photographers. It means you can confidently leave the heavy tripods at home, shooting crisp handheld exposures at half a second or longer, completely transforming how this camera behaves in dimly lit alleyways or moody indoor environments. This massive internal upgrade directly brings us to the elephant in the room, and the primary reason why Fujifilm took an extended hiatus to refine this body. Let's talk about the single most polarizing design choice of the past decade: the hidden rear LCD screen of the X-Pro 3. While purists praised the screen for forcing a distracted creator to look purely through the viewfinder, the reality of everyday shooting told a very different story. Tap Tech can confidently confirm through recent component leaks that the controversial completely hidden screen has been officially retired. Instead, the X-Pro 4 features an elegantly redesigned, highly functional tilting screen that aligns perfectly with the premium ergonomics of modern flagships. It balances minimalism with pure utility, allowing street photographers to easily shoot from the hip or frame low-angle compositions seamlessly without breaking the camera's iconic, slim profile. Speaking of the profile, the external build quality remains predictably uncompromising. The X-Pro 4 maintains its legendary, robust magnesium alloy chassis, reinforced with extensive premium weather sealing that guarantees flawless operation in freezing downpours or dusty desert conditions. To support the heavy processing demands of the new 40-megapixel sensor and stabilization motors, Fujifilm is finally upgrading the power supply to the larger NP-W235 battery. While the physical dials preserve the tactile, mechanical bliss that makes shooting with Fujifilm an intensely emotional experience, the internal computing power is receiving a massive injection of artificial intelligence. The X-Pro 4 will deploy a next-generation, 425-point intelligent hybrid autofocus system supercharged by deep learning AI subject recognition. The tracking algorithm has been meticulously trained to identify, lock onto, and track a vast array of subjects with uncanny precision, including human eyes, faces, animals, birds, automobiles, and high-speed motorcycles. But what truly separates the X-Pro line from every other camera on the planet is its legendary hybrid viewfinder. Fujifilm has heavily refined this signature dual-system tech for the X-Pro 4. The electronic viewfinder component is getting a spectacular bump up to a stunning 5.76 million dot resolution OLED display, providing a breathtakingly sharp, high refresh rate preview that matches the organic feel of an optical finder. With a single flick of the front-facing lever, you can instantly switch back to a pure, crystal-clear optical rangefinder view with an advanced, customizable electronic data overlay projected seamlessly on top. It gives you the raw, uninterrupted view of reality alongside real-time exposure metrics and alignment grids. Furthermore, the creative processing pipeline is getting a major upgrade. Fujifilm is expanding its industry-leading color science by introducing highly anticipated exclusive film simulations alongside vastly expanded, professional-grade in-camera JPEG customization tools. We are looking at advanced global color grading wheels for distinct highlight, mid-tone, and shadow isolation, paired with highly flexible tone curve adjustments directly inside the body. This allows creators to build and fine-tune complex, cinematic custom color profiles on the fly, yielding gorgeous, print-ready imagery straight out of the camera without requiring a single minute of tedious desktop post-processing. Given this relentless list of massive technological leaps, the pricing structure will naturally reflect its premium elite status. While the previous generation launched at $1,800, the inclusion of cutting-edge internal stabilization, a high-resolution sensor, a massive electronic viewfinder upgrade, and advanced AI hardware places the expected launch price of the X-Pro 4 comfortably between $2,200 and $2,500 US dollars. The upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of modern camera engineering, expertly bridging the gap between old-school photographic soul and savage next-generation performance. It is the definitive proof that true craftsmanship takes time, and it is ready to completely dominate the premium camera market. If you want to make sure you stay completely ahead of the curve on the latest premium camera rollouts, major supply chain leaks, and deep-dive technical reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash the like button to support the channel. We want to hear directly from you, so drop a comment below and let us know. Will you be dropping your name on the pre-order list for the X-Pro 4, or are you staying dedicated to your current setup? Thank you so much for tuning in to TapTech, and we will catch you in the very next video.